Turn lock.
Thanks.
Turn lock's in clear. Visual scan entry gate clear. Exit gate clocks and all clear.
All clear.
All clear. Your ride dispatch.
Right now we're in the back. This will be super fun. It's been a while since I've actually been on this ride. Whoa! Guess I picked a good seat. In the back, wow, like that little maneuver it does back there. That's so cool. Look at this awesome viewpoint of the wave turn. Again, it's a really, really fun ride. This is actually really fun in the back. I like it. I think this is more of a, now that I've ridden both the front and the back, I think this is a brand new ride.